Hello everyone, welcome to Home and Life Story. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share the recipe of veggie lentil rice. I know it's very difficult to make kids eat vegetables and lentils. So I keep trying कि किसी तरह उनकी diet में vegetables and lentils include करती रहूँ. So without any further delay, let's get started and let's see the ingredients for the recipe. So for this recipe we need onions, tomatoes and some vegetables of your choice. I have taken green beans, green peas and carrots. Along with that we need rice. I have taken 1/4 cup of rice, to which I have added 1 tablespoon of yellow moong lentil and 1 tablespoon of masoor lentil. Wash rice and dal together thoroughly. Then in a pressure cooker, take 1 tablespoon of ghee or any oil of your choice. I have taken desi ghee. When the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. After the cumin seeds crackle, add onions and saute them till they start getting golden in color. Then add green beans and carrots and cook them for a few minutes. After 2-3 minutes, add green peas and then cook them for another 2-3 minutes, and then add your tomatoes and salt. Oh, that's my daughter's hand in the background. She is 19 months old and very picky when it comes to eating. So after adding the salt, wait till the tomatoes are cooked well. Then add 1 cup of water. After that, add rice and lentils mixture to it. Again, my daughter in the background wearing Minions pajama and t-shirt. Okay, so then close pressure cooker's lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Then turn off the gas and wait for the pressure to release on its own. Then open the pressure cooker and your veggie lentil rice are ready to eat. So here I am serving it for my daughter, and I also had the same for my lunch today. I had it with some leftover dal from last night and some fresh homemade yogurt and some healthy and tasty chickpea salad. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.